Good morning and good afternoon, distinguished participants. On behalf of the EANET, I would like to extinguish our warm welcome to all of you, and we are pleased and honored to have you here at a workshop on National Air Quality Monitoring Systems and Methodologies with related partners organized by the Network Center for the EANET. And maybe some of you know me, and I'd like to make a brief introduction of myself. My name is Dong Yao, and I'm working with ACAP and the Network Center for EANET as the Assistant Deputy Director General. And today, it is my great honor to be facilitating this workshop with our distinguished guests and colleagues. We would like to deliver our special appreciation to the EANET participating countries, national focal points, scientific advisory committee members for the EANET, as well as our special distinguished guest, the representative of Clean Air Asia, for their excellent cooperation in preparing today's workshop and make it possible. As you may all know, ACAP has just passed its 20th anniversary birthday in last year. Everyone celebrates EANET's 20th anniversary since it's established a comprehensive and integrated monitoring network. EANET achieved remarkable progress in the past decades. Especially, the Network Center played an important role together with participating countries for evaluating, research, monitoring, analyzing the atmospheric environment in East Asia. Today's workshop is according to the IG meeting decision, according to the activity number 4. And the objective of today's workshop is to provide opportunities for sharing a wide range of national and international experiences in the field of the atmospheric monitoring, discussing the current development and the future challenge of monitoring system and related methodologies in the EANET. And our workshop will be divided into 2 sessions for substantial discussion. Before the 2 sessions, we will start from the opening session. In the opening session, we will invite first the Director General, Mr. Dr. Shiro Hatakeyama, Director General of the Network Center of the EANET, for delivering the opening remarks. Dr. Hatakeyama, please, you have the floor.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Toshiyuki Yamasaki, Director, International Cooperation Office, Environmental Management Bureau, Ministry of the Environment of Japan. Distinguished guests from participating countries of the EANET. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the workshop on National Air Quality Monitoring Systems and Methodologies with related partners. It is my great pleasure to have this workshop with many participants from many participating countries of EANET. Since its establishment in the year of 2001, the main target of the EANET was monitoring of acid deposition and related air pollutants. Recently, after a few years of sincere discussions among participating countries of the EANET, expansion of the scope was agreed at the 23rd Intergovernmental Meeting held last year. It enables the EANET to conduct monitoring of more atmospheric environment-related substances. VOCs and ammonia are examples of newly added substances for monitoring, and as well, PM2.5 and ozone have gained greater importance than before. Of course, acid deposition remains an important monitoring target of the EANET, but we must expand our horizons to newly added gaseous and particulate components. Thus, it is necessary for us, among participating countries, to take actions to share the latest monitoring system and methodologies, discuss the most pressing challenges, and think together about possible solutions. The objectives of this workshop are providing an opportunity of sharing a wide range of national and international experiences in the field of atmospheric monitoring, discussing the current development and the future challenge of monitoring system, as well as related methodologies in the EANET. In the first session of the workshop, a brief introduction of the EANET monitoring activities, and then case studies of Japan, Republic of Korea, and China will be shown. In the second session, a panel discussion will be held involving different stakeholders to seek solutions for improving the EANET monitoring system. I hope you can enjoy lectures and panel discussion in this workshop. I look forward to the fruitful results of the workshop. Thank you.
Thank you so much. DG Hatakeyama sensei, as you may all know, he is a very famous atmospheric scientist. And in the atmospheric environment research field in the region, he has achieved 4 times of prestigious awards. And Hatakeyama sensei, during his opening speech, highlighted the prioritized substances of the atmospheric towards the current atmospheric environment cooperation in the region. And he also encouraged us to take actions as early as possible. Thank you so much, Dr. Hatakeyama, for your opening speech. And next, we would like to invite Mr. Toshiyuki Yamasaki, Director of International Cooperation Office of Environmental Management Bureau from Ministry of Environment of Japan. And we will welcome Yamasaki-san for deliver the welcome remarks. Taking this opportunity, we would like to extend a special thanks to MOEJ for being the leader of the preparation of this workshop and provided general financial contributions to this workshop. Now, Mr. Yamasaki, please take the floor.
Hi, good afternoon and good morning, everyone. Taking this opportunity, on behalf of the Ministry of the Environment Japan, I would like to extend my greetings as the project lead of the workshop on National Air Quality Monitoring System and Methodologies with related partners, the first workshop of the EANET project. First of all, I'd like to express my sincere gratitude to the EANET Network Center as the implementing agency of this project, the EANET Secretariat that supports this project activity, and the experts from the participating countries involved in the preparation. Thank you very much again. About the EANET, by the decision of Intergovernmental Meeting IG-22 in 2020, the scope of activities had been expanded from acid deposition to atmospheric environment, and project scheme has been newly established as the following year. This makes EANET to respond to immediate air pollution issues raised in current world stream. And currently, 11 projects have been implemented. Today, upon first workshop in that series of EANET project, workshop on National Air Quality Monitoring System and Methodologies with related partners, I'd like to emphasize that now it is very crucial point for EANET just taking the first step towards a better future for Asia by utilizing the project system. This project is funded by the Ministry of the Environment Japan and is implemented by the Network Center. Likewise, Ministry of the Environment Japan is to provide necessary support for the revitalization of EANET project system. Together with representatives from the participating countries today, I look forward to holding various discussions on how to resolve issues on atmospheric environment in Japan, in Asia through EANET project in the future. Thank you.
Thank you, Yamasaki-san, for your kind encouraging words. In Yamasaki-san's presentation for the opening remarks, he emphasized the expansion progress of EANET during last IG and for the next step, and he focused and encouraged every one of us to take the steps for the better future, and starting from involving in the project fund and project activities. It is very impressive to hear such warm remarks. Once again, I would like to appreciate Dr. Hatakeyama and Mr. Yamasaki for your opening speech today. Thank you so much. And so after this opening session, we would like to proceed on for the substantial discussion. I would like to introduce to you, according to the concept note, this workshop will be divided into 2 sessions. The first session will briefly introduce EANET monitoring activities and its functions, followed by case studies of Japan, Republic of Korea, and China. In addition, the Network Center will make specific monitoring methodologies introduction, including QA/QC activities. In the second session, session 2, the panel discussion will take place involving different stakeholders to seek solutions for improving the EANET monitoring systems. And during the session discussion, that besides the panelists, we would like to inform from the secretariat of this meeting that all the participants, if you have any opinions or questions, please share it and at the bottom of this Zoom in Q&A parts. And during the discussion session, our colleagues will gather your comments for Q&A. In order to recognize all of you, we'd like you, if you could kindly share your name, position, your title in EANET for our further recognize. And then we will gather all the questions for discussion. Thank you so much for your cooperation in advance. So we would like to start session 1 from now. Session 1 will be introduction of monitoring systems of EANET participating countries. And in the keynote speech, we'll invite 3 keynote speakers to introduce monitoring system and methodologies of Japan, ROK, and China, including QA/QC activities, respectively. And we will have a Q&A for 10 minutes. You are all welcome to raise the questions during and after the panelist presentation.